because I got a mic now and I'm all set with that. I'm gonna let you know what I've been doing lately. You're gonna see here in a second. I have, in fact, pre-ordered Forza, and we're going to be playing Roblox, having fun on there, playing with you guys, and we are also going to be playing Minecraft. And and here's a thing for you. I got Xbox One Edition Minecraft, which we'll be able to play with each other hopefully soon, as soon as I can get enough money for a capture card. You can probably hear birds and stuff in the background. That's normal because I'm at my grandpa's. He's the only one that has a good enough computer, and I found out that my muff on my headphones has fallen off. Yay! Be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. My dog had it. Luckily, he didn't rip it or nothing. Had to chase him around for it. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. I'll be posting every half an hour. Hope you the best times. If you want to stick around, that'd be nice. Just